guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarrell, and in today's video we are going to be creating an eye look using Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I just wanted to get in the zone and create an eyeshadow look for you guys, and that is what I'm doing. I'm using the eyeshadow primer from Hourglass, and this has become a really nice eyeshadow primer that I reach for a lot. The only thing that is missing is just a little bit of more color payoff, just because I do have some discoloration on my eyelids, but nonetheless it is a very good primer. Now the first shade that I am taking is the shade Nurture with a fluffy brush, as you can see here, and I tap that color onto my eyelid and then buff it into the crease. But I had really zero clue of the look that I wanted to create. I just wanted to get into the zone, maybe listen to some music or just listen to a case probably, and just create an eyeshadow look. And I wanted something like really nice and warm, so that is what I wanted to do. So here it is. Now of course I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and just buff in the color and just blend it into the crease. The next shade that I'm taking is Unity, and this one has a little bit more peachiness, more warmth to it, and this is going to go right on top of the first shade, which is Nurture, that we added. This definitely is going to be our transition shade, something that I'm going to go back to several times through this video just to buff everything and to make everything nice and neat. But again, this color is so beautiful, like really nice, perfect for spring and summer in my opinion. And again, I'm doing the same thing to the other eye. I do have like two different shapes of eyes. For some reason, one is a little bit more droopy than the other one. The other one is a little bit more almond shape. The other one's a little bit more rounded. But you know, those are like little things that I notice as I am aging, and also as I do my makeup all the time, and I have to like look at myself a lot. But anyway, the next shade that I'm taking is Invention with my finger, and this shade is intense. It does have a little nice duochrome to it. But I wish that I use an eyeshadow glue, just because it was a little bit crumbly, so I can feel like the fallout just on my face. But of course I did my eyes first before using any kind of foundation. But I think that this shade will definitely work better if you have some kind of a tacky base to it. I'm just really packing that shade onto my eyelids and just meeting with the other shades that we have in the outer corner, and now going in with this little tiny rougher brush, which is one of my favorite brushes in the shade Familia. Now this shade right here, it's really nice, warm brown, so good. And this brush is so perfect, especially if you are looking for something that is small because you have hooded eyes, or you know, for specific areas in the eyes for detail work. This brush is amazing. I will link it down below. I'm using it to add the intensity that I want in the outer corner and also on my crease, which is very important for this eye look, just for everything to stand out a little bit more. Now using a pencil brush in the shade Spontaneous, which is a really nice, beautiful champagne kind of shade, and I'm going to add it to the inner corner. But I can never just add it to the inner corner. I always have to add it to the inner corner and just drag it to my crease and like make it meet with the other shade that I have on my eyelid, so it doesn't become something that is just a little dot in the inner corner, but it's a little bit more of a statement inner corner highlight, if you will, which I absolutely love that. This is just definitely something that I do a lot, and I'm just going back with the shade Invention and a synthetic flat brush just to make sure that they are really nice and blended together, where you are not able to see where one begins and the other one ends. I'm just cleaning things up, you know, taking care of those details that it's important, especially if you want your eye look to look its best. And I'm taking a wipe and I'm going to clean out the fallout, and most importantly, I'm going to really sharpen things out, especially in the outer corner. Now using the Makeup Forever pencil. Now this is a color pencil that you can use on your eyes, on your brows, and on all over your face, but this color in particular is no longer available. I will link something similar down below in the description area. I just wanted to create a really nice small wing and really add it to my waterline, as you can see here. And the color of this pencil is perfect. So I think House Labs have something like this. Again, I will link something similar down below, but this color just made the whole entire look so perfect for summer in my opinion. And I absolutely love the touch of this color right here. It is exactly what I wanted for this look. But after I did this, after adding the pencil on my waterline and creating that wing liner, I still felt like something was missing. So I decided to take the same orange pencil and outline the inner corner highlight on my lid, as you can see here. And sometimes when I make decisions like this, it could either ruin the whole entire look, or it can make it super cool and unique, or just, you know, something that it's fun for me. And I absolutely love that I took this risk, because I end up loving this look so much more by doing this little tiny step right here. So you do have to take your time. You just make sure that, you know, you're adding the pencil exactly where you want it. Sometimes it's not going to be exactly the same from one eye to the other, because again, I do have two different eye shapes. So that's my only struggle that I had when making this decision. But I'm so happy that I did, because again, I just absolutely love the end result. I curl my lashes and added mascara, and no falsies for me, but you can definitely add falsies if you want to. And then I went ahead and just lined my lips with the shade Soulful, the LYS pencil. I'm going to link everything down below. And this pencil is just so good. I absolutely love the texture of it. I really like the color of it. Just defines my lips really, really nicely. And then I am going to use this lipstick from Gucci, which it was a little bit more of a cooler tone, but I did use a little bit of cooler tone eyeshadows as well. So I just felt like the whole entire look was just coming together. Again, I just wanted to add a little bit more warmth to the look. So I went ahead and used this orange lip gloss from Fenty Beauty that was limited edition. So any kind of orangey lip gloss that you have in your collection will work. And that is it, my friends. That is it for this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, that you learned something new. This is makeup. This is supposed to be fun. And if you don't like what you created, you can always just wipe it off. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I'll see you next time. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Did you guys like it? Would you recreate it? Would you wear it? Let me know. Bye.